Today I woke up and found an error on my cell phone. As you can see, I can move the screen. But it's not working, the screen doesn't scroll. It's completely stuck. The touch screen on our phone was stuck like this morning with an error. We're going to be able to fix it without having to take it to a repair shop. Today we're going to fix it ourselves. Do it yourself by following this step-by-step video tutorial to fix and repair the screen on our device. These are sometimes errors, not something serious, but maybe if you dropped your phone. It can also be fixed, depending on whether it was a system error like we're going to fix. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is the following. Let's watch this step-by-step video tutorial to fix this error. How do we fix it? As you can see, the screen isn't working. The first thing we have to do is the following. We're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to do a forced restart. Do this if you want to fix it. Release the power button and let it start up. Then, press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Do this, and you'll force another restart. The logo will appear again, and you'll force another restart. You'll do 3 forced restarts too. Force the device to correct these errors. Follow these steps so you can fix it. Recover your device if your phone screen isn't working. The touch screen isn't moving, or it's stuck. This video tutorial will help you fix it and recover it. Now, we're going to wait for our phone to restart. When it starts correctly, we'll do the following. Pay close attention to this video tutorial so you can fix it. Let us know in the comments what you thought of our video. You do this, turn it off. Move the screen to see, and as we can see, it's working. We move the screen here. You can see that it's now working correctly. These are errors that remain on our phone. We always see these videos. We always see people bringing us these phones with these errors. Without. And we can fix them here without needing to open them up. Needing to do any maintenance because these are system errors that can be easily corrected. Let us know in the comments if our video worked for you and if you liked our tutorial, and leave us a big thank you or some donations. Thank you.